Pinakaayaw ko talaga yung nagsasayang ng pagkain, kaya naman ganito ang ginawa namin sa aming sample Valentine's menu. And since cookies and brownies ang aming bestseller lately, I decided na i-bake din ito sa heart pan with Valentine's design with chocolate letter dedication. And since everyday kaming nagbe-bake ng sweets, hindi na kami masyadong kumakain ng chocolate kasi medyo naumay na rin kami. Kahit yung mga assistants ko at ang mga tao sa bahay ayaw na rin nilang kumain. Kaya naman, instead of wasting away such good food, especially now na may chocolate shortage and super mahal talaga ng chocolates, I decided to cut it into pieces and just give it away to the kids and neighbors in our barangay. And my mom's mini store downstairs is the perfect place to display the freebies kasi nagtitinda siya ng mga fishball and other street foods like tusok-tusok and palamig.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys! Thank you for visiting!
Cookie. Itong. Kuha ka. Binabantayan mo yung cookie. Oh, sige. Oh, isa pa. Oh, isa pa. Oh, isa pa daw.
Sa atin.
Oh, sige. Oh.
Thank you po!
Yeah, welcome. Opo.
Thank you!
Ayun, isa pa yan. Kuha ka na. Magpanamaya.
Huling-huli ka!